So today's video, as you guys can already tell by the title, is about how I achieved this simple minimal makeup look. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Feyisetan, but if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. Thank you. And thank you to the new subscribers as well, because it's only going to take a second. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell notification to get notified from me whenever I post new videos. Comment down below and just do all of that down below. So like I said, today's video is going to be about this simple minimal makeup look, and if you guys can already tell, these are the kind of looks I go for, because for one, I don't know how to do any other type of makeup apart from this, so I just stick with this and switch up my lips, switch up my highlights, and yeah, I'm good to go. So if you guys would like to see how I get on, please continue watching this video. And also, I'm going to be showing you guys the products I use, because I literally can't speak whilst applying my makeup. So I'm going to apply my makeup and be showing you guys how and what I used, and also all the products are going to be linked down in the description box, so you guys can check them out if you didn't catch them on screen. I'm gonna leave them on the screen and in the description box. So if you guys would like to see more looks like this from me, let me know in the comment section below, and also please like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys. Mwah. So this is how my face is looking, freshly moisturized. I literally just got out the shower and I did my morning routine, and all the products I'm going to be using are going to be drugstore products. So I'm going to leave all the products in the description box below so you guys can check them out. And yeah, so when it comes to the base of my skin or my skin before I apply my makeup, I literally do not do too much, but one thing I make sure to do is to have my skin washed, cleansed, moisturized, my sunscreen is slapped on, and I'm good to go. And then I go in to do my eyebrows first, and what I use to do my eyebrow is the MUA Academy Professional Pro Brow Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. And I used this, the deep brown. This is literally almost finished. I need to get another one. So I used my spoolie and eyebrow brush. I got this from Primark, and I just use this to apply the powder, and I use this to apply the powder on my eyebrow, and I literally brush it just to get it blended properly, and that's it. And then I go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey to obviously to clean up my eyebrows and to just make it more defined. As you guys can see, very simple, don't need to do too much. For reference purposes, this is £3.50 and you can get this from Superdrug. Super affordable, very affordable. And this is £4.50 and you can get this off of Amazon. This is literally almost it's basically finished, so I need to get a new one. So it's £4.50 from Amazon. This is the shade Warm Honey, and it's affordable. So what I do next is I go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and just dab a little on my face, the oily parts of my face, mainly my T-zone here, and yeah, just to control the oil there. Like, it's nothing too crazy, just for oil control. So after applying the Sacha Buttercup on my T-zone and my smile lines, I then go in with my foundation, and this is the Ordinary foundation. I've been using this foundation for literal years now, like for years, and it's very good. I'm going to be doing a review. I'm quite late, but I'm going to be doing a review of how this product feels on my skin. So I apply the foundation, and yeah, I'm just going to show you guys on the screen to see how the foundation is blending in, but I'm going to make a separate video on how good and how just affordable and nice this foundation is, because it's so good. And yeah, by the way, this is £5.75p, like £5.75p, freaking p, very good. So when I'm done applying the foundation, I go in with my concealer again in Warm Honey. This is finished now, but yeah, I go in with the concealer. I apply it in the corners of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, here, I don't know what this is called, yeah, the outer part of my eyes. I apply it on my chin and here as well. I don't apply it here because my forehead is quite big, so I don't need that much attention on my forehead. So I do that, and then I obviously blend the concealer. And this is, I've been using this for years, Warm Honey. And when it comes to makeup, or when it comes to products on my skin, like once I find something that works for me, I stick to that product to the T. Like I literally do not move. Like I'm laser focused on that product until it stops working for me. So I've been using this for years, and it matches, it blends well with my skin. I don't like when concealers are too bright under the eye, because I just feel like that's doing too much, and I literally do not need that much attention to my face. So yeah, then you blend it out. So after blending in the concealer into my face, I then go in again with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer. I literally don't do too much. I don't bake my face, because I've tried that and I did not like the result. So I literally just dab a little bit into my face just to set the powder. And yeah, whilst my face is baking, I then go in with my Fenty Beauty matchsticks in Espresso. This is kind of pricey, but not too much. This is £21, but I got mine in a set. I'm not sure how much that is. I'm gonna leave all the product links and everything in the description box so you guys can check them out. Yeah, like I said, this is £21, and I literally just apply just a tiny bit into my on my skin, and then I blend that. Like I literally don't do too much when it comes to contouring, because I haven't tried it before, but I don't know what my face is going to look like when I overly contour my face. So I just apply a tiny bit and blend. So after blending in the contour into my face, I then go in with my Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony, and I use that to set the contour. Not too much, as you can see, not too much. Like I don't like, you know, too much. So the next step is me going in with my mascara. This is the Collection Lash Surge. I got this from Boots, and yeah, this is the mascara I've been using for the last couple months, and it's not too bad. It's not too bad, and yeah, nothing fancy. I apply that, and yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, my lashes are really tiny. So after applying my mascara, I go in with my LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder in 50 watts. I've had this for years now, and I don't think this is being sold anywhere anymore. Like this is one of my fave, and yeah, it's broken, but I still like salvage it. So this is what I use to highlight my face. As you can see, it's not doing too much. I apply this into the inner corners of my eyes. I apply this on the bridge of my nose, my cheeks here, and underneath my eyebrows. And yeah, nothing too fancy, nothing too much. So this is the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder in 50 watts, and if I can find this anywhere, I'll literally put that in the description box, because I'm looking for it as well. So yeah, so the next thing I do after applying my highlight is going in with my setting spray. This is the NYX setting spray in Radiant Finish, and this is £8. I think I got this from Boots. I literally just go in with a couple spritz, and that's it. Don't do too much, like a couple spritz, and then I let my face dry by fanning it or just letting it air dry by itself. And then when I'm done setting my face, I go in with my lip pencil. I got this from a beauty supply store for £1 basically, and I use this to line my lips, and then I go in with my Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss, and I apply this on my lip, and this is what you get. Very simple, very minimal. And yeah, by the way, this is about £13, £14 from Boots, and yeah, I've had this since she launched, and I don't do too much when it comes to my makeup, and this has literally it's lasted me years. So about £13-14, and you get your money's worth. As you can see, this is what you get with all the products that I've literally just explained. And yeah, as you guys can see, my makeup turned out really flawless, really good, and literally not doing too much. Like, you don't need to do you know, yeah. And you can literally wear this anywhere, like basically any occasion. I'm ready, call me, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm gonna leave all the products in the description box below so you guys can have easy access to them. And please, if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and just, you know, leave a 1-2 comments to let me know. And yeah, again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys. Mwah.